I intended on giving you all this set of cookie cutters that was different shapes. Had like a Christmas tree in it and a bell and a star and some other shapes. When I tested those shapes out, they did not work for this project. So at the last minute, I was like, well, I do have this silicone baking mold that I just purchased. I was like, let me cut this up and share this with everybody. So I did not get to test this before your boxes went out, but I saved a little bit. This is all the beads I have left. I saved a little bit of beads just to try it out in here. So while my oven is heating up, I'm gonna just go ahead and add these to a mold. And do the same thing, spread it out so it's pretty even. So I am not putting a hole in this one because in your kit you got these car vent clips. So my goal, if this works, is to add one of those car vent clips to one side of it and put it in my car. Okay, so as soon as my oven's heated up, I am going to put both of these in and I'll be back to show you the results. So with the silicone molds, you just pop it out. Oh, I love it! I wasn't sure if it would pick up on the detail. Can you see that? I love it. So I'm going to add my clip to the back. So I actually will show y'all how I do that in a minute. I'm so sorry that I did not get more of these and send y'all more of these. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy that it worked though. So, okay, so now that we finished that one, I'm just going to come back to this real quick. So this is the vent clips, right? And I just want to stick it right there. So I'm hoping that the hot glue will hold it. If it doesn't, then I'm going to try some stronger glue. But I'm going to put a whole bunch of hot glue on there. And I'm stick it right to the back. Let that set up. I'm so excited about this, y'all. I'm putting it in my car like ASAP Rocky. Okay. You do have these embellishments that you could use as well. You know, if you wanted to add a flower or something like that. I'm actually thinking right in the center of my flower would be a really cute place for a little rhinestone. Look at that purple one. Alright, so in this case, I'm just going to add a dab of glue right to the center. And then plop my stone right there on top. Oh my goodness! Didn't think it could get better, but it just did. It just got better.